But can the GOP actually repeal Obamacare? They're planning a vote, but with Democrats controlling the Senate, Republicans likely will not get the votes needed. But if the president's health care overhaul is canned, what would replace it? We sent 9 on Your Side's Craig Smith to get answers from Arizona's top lawmakers. He begins team coverage.
Democratic Congressman Raul Grijalva knew if the law stood up in court, Republicans would work right away to repeal it.
Then you have to tell us what you're going to replace it with. And how are they going to assure pre-existing conditions? How are they going to assure that parents can keep their kids up to 26 on their family coverage? How are you going to make sure lifetime limits are not placed on people?
Senator John McCain hopes to repeal, but thinks the Democratic majority in the Senate will prevent that.
What's a better way to deal with health care concerns?
Repeal and replace this with provisions such as going across state lines to get insurance policies that you want, medical malpractice reform, a variety of incentives for wellness and fitness, and many other proposals rather than a big government solution to that increases costs rather than decreases costs.
New Democratic Congressman Ron Barber concedes the law needs more work to protect small businesses, prevent premium hikes, focus on preventive care, lower prescription costs, and avoid Medicare cuts. Fellow Democrat Matt Heinz is a state rep running against Barber. He's also a doctor, worried the ruling also tells states they do not have to expand the number of poor families covered by Medicaid.
Governor Brewer and our legislature cut about $500 million out of our access population, our Medicaid program. Those lowest income individuals in our state now are going to be out in the cold.
Now, Heinz worries keeping the Medicaid cuts will boost costs in the long run because people will skip preventive care, wait until they're really sick, and end up in the hospital.
When do you think the Republicans are going to make their move?
Well, the Speaker's talking about a vote next week, but that will probably not succeed. If the November election changes the balance of power, things could turn out differently.
Okay, Craig, thank you so much.